Peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessings before we start talking. Let us begin in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today, God willing, we will make together a delicious winter dish that you love, and the cold weather that we are in likes it very much. We will make together lentils. We will make lentil soup with noodles. We will see together my ingredients. I have half a kilogram of yellow lentils that I washed very well and soaked and drained from its water. And with me, the vegetables I need. Half a kilogram of lentils will need 3 medium onions, and I will use 1 zucchini peeled, the skin removed and cut into cubes, as well as 3 carrots also peeled, and try to cut the carrots into thin slices because they cook quickly. And I have 4 tomatoes chopped, and with me 1 potato and half a green chili, and I have 2 bell peppers and 5 cloves of garlic, and with me a spoonful of clarified butter, and I have 2 cubes of broth. God willing, you will see it, you will try it, and God willing, you will like it. Now the pot is on the stove. I have cleaned it very well and dried it. I put the clarified butter first. As soon as the butter melts, I will tell you what we will do. Now I will say in the name of God, as soon as my butter melts, I will add all the vegetables. With some, and I will add the garlic, the 5 whole garlic cloves. And I have 2 cubes of broth. This broth is optional, not mandatory, but it's nice. I won't add any spices at all right now. And I will add with 2 bay leaves. And he is sauteing like this. I will put the kettle on to need hot water, of course. Now the vegetables together like this, here.
وهو بيتشوح كده انا هحط الكتل، هشغل الكتل عشان ابقى محتاجه طبعا ميه سخنه. دلوقتي بصوا الخضار اتشوح حوالي كده مع بعض ازاي اهو.
And I will add my lentils. Stir them all together like this, and also I will let it saute with the vegetables for exactly about 4 minutes. It won't exceed 4 minutes. And now here it is, all with the vegetables. I will add my hot water. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Look, the water should be filled up to here like this, meaning it should be slightly less than the pot.
بصي الميه حطيها لغايه هنا كده بالظبط، يعني يكون ناقص من الحله بالظبط بس ربع.
Quarter of it, and make sure to cover the pot. It will sit on the stove for about an hour minus a third until all the vegetables are cooked together. And then I will show you what we will do. Here it is. The lentils, after being on the fire for about an hour minus a third. All the vegetables in it are cooked. Now it will cool down. That is, the temperature will decrease a bit so that I can blend it. I'll give it a very strong blend in the blender, and then I will return to you. Here it is. The opposite after blending it in the blender. Some people like to strain it. I don't strain it. I blend it very hard in the blender. Look how beautiful its consistency is and its color. Spices are very simple. A spoon or a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, a quarter. Just a pinch of black pepper. I will stir it. And we will prepare the vermicelli together. And now I have the pan here. I poured about 5 tablespoons of ghee, because we certainly use ghee in it. If you have homemade butter, mix both together. It will be very nice. We don't use fragrance in it.